Hello, everyone. Buckle up, sit back, and relax, because it's time for our departure on an inspiring musical adventure. The sights and sounds of South Asia.
This course will focus on the traditions, cultures, and music of South Asia. We'll be visiting places like India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bhutan.
Let's check out some Bebop artists bringing traditional and modern music together.
We'll see and hear the sitar, the tabla, the harmonium, and the nadaswaram.
And get ready for the next stop on our South Asian tour. Remember, music is for everyone.